Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Mette 8.5 by 5.3 foot by 26-inch swimming pool and filter pump. Are your children ready for their first big pool? Easy to assemble, it's ready for water in just 30 minutes, so you can escape the heat quickly. It's made by strong and durable steel frames and laminated sidewalls, so the pool stays firmly in place. The frames are also powder-coated for rust resistance. This pool is a refreshing and relaxing backyard retreat for up to 5 to 8 people. It has a convenient drain plug that connects to any hose so that water can be drained away from your house and pool area. Product benefits. The filter pump provides improved circulation and filtration for improved water clarity. Laminated sidewalls are reinforced with an all-around band to keep frame legs firmly in place. Easy to assemble, ready for water in 30 minutes. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.